Okay, we have it's the Lister D again. It's running now. It runs really well for its age. And to make it a bit more mobile, what I've done is I've put a single front wheel on the front, and I've made a handle, something to grab it by, pull it around by, make it much easier to move. Because before, there was just a block of wood nailed to it, and this thing weighs quite a bit. It's really heavy, and to move it you'd have to pick the front up and drag it around, and it wasn't that easy. So it just made it a bit easy to move. Looks a bit like a trike now. So, turn this on. It's cold today. See if it'll start first time. Hey, here we go. There is a bit of a problem with the earth on the side of the magneto. It's a bit dodgy. Come on. Come on, stop.